Knowledge without application is just entertainment. So let's make this real for you by identifying exactly what you want to change. Right now, pause and think about where you feel stuck. Maybe it's constant distraction and inability to focus deeply. Maybe it's a habit that you can't seem to break, stress eating, phone addiction, procrastination. Maybe it's anxiety or negative thought patterns that loop in your head, or difficulty learning new skills and remembering information. These aren't character flaws or signs of weakness. They're neural patterns, and neural patterns can be rewired. We call this your neuroplasticity audit, and it's the foundation for everything ahead. Here's the truth. Generic brain training doesn't work as well as targeted rewiring. You need to know exactly what pathway you're trying to change. Let's do a quick self-assessment together. First, identify your target. Pick one thing you want to change in the next 14 days. Don't try to rewire everything at once. Focus creates intensity, and intensity drives change. Write it down. I want to rewire my brain to ... Second, recognize the current pattern. When does this unwanted behavior or thought pattern show up? What triggers it? For example, I check my phone mindlessly whenever I feel bored. Or, I feel anxious every morning when I wake up. Third, define success. What would the new pattern look like? Be specific. Instead of, I want better focus, try, I want to work for 25 minutes without checking my phone. This is your baseline. This is where your rewiring journey begins. Here's something important. You don't need to understand every neuroscience detail to change your brain. You just need to consistently apply the right techniques, which is exactly what we're teaching you next. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't need a degree in muscle physiology to get stronger. You just need to know which exercises to do and how to do them consistently. That's what the next section is about. The exact 3-step system to rewire any neural pathway you choose.